RAMP price today is $0.220, with a 24-hour trading volume of $53 million. RAMP is down 0.34% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is 441, with a live market cap of $89 million. It has a circulating supply of 405 million RAMP coins, and a max supply of 1 billion RAMP coins. According to our current RAMP DEFI price prediction, the value of RAMP DEFI will rise by 4.39%, and reach $0.227 by the 20th of December 2021. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is neutral, while the fear and greed index is showing fear. RAMP DEFI recorded 12/30-40% green days with 17.81% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our RAMP DEFI forecast, it's now a good time to buy RAMP DEFI. Based on today's classical pivot point 1p, with the value of $0.185, RAMP DEFI has support levels of $0.182, $0.178, and the strongest at $0.175. Similarly, RAMP DEFI resistance levels are at $0.189, $0.192, and $0.196.